Hello guys, my name is Michael, and today we are going to talk about new signals which you can apply then to your GTK entry. And for this time I want to before we proceed, I want to tell you that because inserts text, which like I already said in the last tutorial, I wasn't supposed to introduce you because this one belongs to GTK LAT table, so I commented out. So this means we are not going to use it today. The next change which I did was I removed the part which was inside of entry callback, so that I can only press I can only output this message and I would press. So when I go here, as you can see, if I hit enter, it says enter was pressed, because this is the signal which we were actually catching. And of course another two signal were the icon here, which is not working now because if the way I designed the program, I need to activate again this signal. I need to catch the insert signal. So let me show you now. If I click here, says the icon was pressed. If I release the mouse, says icon was released. So this was the another two signals. So that being said, let me show you. This is the not activate. I made a mistake, I think. No, okay, it's okay. So activate signal, this means when you press enter, insert this. We are not going to continue talking about this now. Icon press is when we press the icon, then icon is when we release our mouse after we press the icon. So these four signals we were talking in the last tutorial. Now we are going to talk today about another four signals. The first one is the backspace, which here it says it is a key binding signal which gets emitted when the user asks for it. So this means basically when you are hitting the backspace, this means we need this signal backspace. Okay, so I will make a copy here because we are not going to write again those things, so I will just put backspace here, and then I will create a backspace callback, and this callback it will look like this: void void base callback, and then GTK widget, and just in a moment we will put the information which we needed inside it. This means we are going to cast the widget this time because we don't use it, and we were going to call gprint to print our message like backspace space was pressed, for example, or was hit, or whatever you want to. So we created this we call the gsignal connect swept, and then we try to catch backspace signal on this entry by calling this backspace callback. So when we are calling this happens that now when I hit enter, says enter. When I hit backspace, says backspace was pressed. Both are working fine. Now the next one is copy-clipboard, cut-clipboard, and paste-clipboard. The copy-clipboard says when you are using Ctrl+C. The cut says when you are using Ctrl+X, and of course the paste, which is down here somewhere, paste says when you are pressing Ctrl+V. Okay, so that being said, we are going to create them all those three. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first one I said it is the copy-clipboard is the first one. The second one is the cut-clipboard, and the last one is the paste-clipboard. So what this exactly means, let's see. Let's create at the beginning the callback functions. So the first one is the body, sorry, the copy the copy. The second one, it is the cut-clipboard callback, and the last one, it is the paste-clipboard callback. Okay, so we created these three now, which are here. So by having them, we need to create those three callbacks. So we'll make some copies here, 1, 2, 3, and the first one will be the copy. The second one will be the cut. I think you already understand the things I am doing here. And the last one is the paste-clipboard. Okay, this means here we had the backspace, here we have the copy. So the manual says Ctrl plus C, you already know that. Cut is Ctrl plus X, and paste is Ctrl plus V. So now I run the program and I will hit enter, it works. I will hit backspace, it works. And now Ctrl C, Ctrl X and Ctrl V. As you can see, everything works fine. Even here I have the Ctrl V part, which shows you that it works fine. So that being said, this is the way how you work with these signals: enter, backspace, Ctrl C, Ctrl X and Ctrl V, copy, paste and cut. And these are the four new signals from today, which means if you need them somewhere, somehow, I don't know in which case, you know now how to use them and you know what those means. And of course you can apply all other signals which they are here, because they are a lot more, but I think you already understand them. Of course, delete from cursor, insert, add cursor, move cursor. This means the things which you change them when you work with characters, which happens, for example, in a text deletion or something like that. Okay, so that being said, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, please subscribe, share with your friends, and see you guys.